Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, the Jimmy 2 Tech Test Kitchen, as we like to call it. I'm Jimmy 1. I'll be the big boy in this video today. And then we have...
Technically, I'm Jimmy 1.
Oh, poo. Well, I'm the Jimmy 1 for this video. Cool. So, today, guys, we have HotLogic's new product. It's the HotLogic Carry Tote. This is the casserole size, so if it looks big to you, that's why. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of this thing. I've been using it for like, I don't know, a week or two at work. I've been cooking breakfast and lunch. So opens up, you have your heating plate just like you're used to. I'd put breakfast there, lunch there. It's been working great. Everybody at work loves it. But what kind of sets this apart, everybody, is, you know, when I was taking my original HotLogic, I'd want to bring stuff and keep it with it. But when I'm walking to my car, I'm carrying like a lunch pail, a HotLogic Mini. Now, this actually, boom, comes right up. It's got handles, pockets. I'll show you guys this. This opens right up as like a carry tote, and you have a lot of space in there. It doesn't get too hot in here. It gets a little bit warm when you're cooking the food, but not enough to really affect anything. So it's actually pretty nice. So we highly recommend this, guys. We'd like to thank HotLogic for supporting our channel. You guys are the best. And we use your products like every day. So
yeah, this is their big size. They do have a smaller lunch size, like you mentioned. Did you mention that? I don't know.
Yeah, they have a smaller one of the carry totes, like the lunch pail.
Yeah, we don't have that one yet, but
we will. I guarantee.
That one would be good for most people. This one here is good for a family, or like you said, lunch and breakfast in there. You can carry all the stuff in the top. It's not really a cooler per se, but it will keep your stuff a little cooler.
Well, it's just nice to be able to carry like your forks, spoons, snacks, chips or something just right in the top and not having to carry two separate bags. So, what are we going to be cooking today? Just to show you guys. So, we were wondering what can we cook in a HotLogic that's kind of weird that we haven't done before. And we came up with an idea. Jimmy 1. We are going to be cooking a MRE, chili and macaroni. So in our heads this makes sense because it heats up anyways. So I think what we're going to do for us is just actually get the food, set it on the HotLogic tray, like, what is it, knead it out?
Yeah, we'll knead it and make sure it's level.
Yep, and then we're just going to try to let it cook like that. Maybe after a little bit of time, flip it over, you know, just to cook it. Because, again, they cook themselves. You add a little water in there. It's got a heater in there. But we're like, HotLogic, MRE, give it a shot. So, we'll kick inside and see what's in this. All right, so inside, let's see what we got in here. We're a big fan of MREs because we do a lot of camping and stuff like that. I mean, not to say we don't bring the HotLogic camping. Lord, this is definitely... Oh, it's going... Oh, there we go. Woo! I appreciate it. Yeah, we use these when we go camping. They're in our bags, but really cool. If you guys haven't gotten it yet, you should definitely give these a whirl, especially if you're camping, hiking, emergency stuff. So, it comes in a big old pouch,
Vacuum seal pouch.
There we go, yes.
There's a bunch of channels that talk about these.
Which, if you guys want to know more about them, just let us know, and we have a whole bunch of these, so. Okay, so we have the chili and macaroni in a little pouch. So, as we said, we're just going to throw this in the HotLogic, because this gets to 165. I am very confident that the heaters in this do not get up to 160, or they probably go over 165 degrees. So we should be fine. We'll keep an eye on it. You know, it's testing. Little, you know, box for you guys. This is what it cooks in. Beep.
That's what you put it in.
Yep. MREs have pouches that has some gum, towelettes, matches. Don't let your kids play with matches.
That is not normal gum.
Yeah, this is caffeinated gum, so you be careful. We have some carrot, the TFF carrot pound cake. I don't know if that'll be good heated up, but hey. Good old bag of Skittles, my favorite. Just a beef snack. I guess it's beef jerky, no doubt. We have some crushed red pepper. Be careful with that because I'm not a fan of the spice. Some vegetable crackers, which would be good with stew. Carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder. Fruit punch, so that'd be good. We have some cheese spread with jalapenos.
That'll go good on those crackers.
This will be good on the crackers. Again, this is probably one of my least favorite types of MREs. I'm more of a fan of the briskets and stews, but, you know, whatever. Comes with a spoon. Look at that. Everything all inclusive. And then we have a heater pouch, which we're not going to be using this time just because we have the HotLogic. But, you know, this is actually pretty cool to keep to the side because this activates. You just pour a little water in there. It tells you how far to put the water up to. So, water. And then you'd be good to go. You just slide the food right in there, close it up, put it in the box so you know you don't burn yourself when you try to grab it, and you're good to go. Oh, and then here's a hot beverage bag. To avoid burn, beverage heating time should not exceed 6 minutes if we're using this. So,
or just use a cup.
So I'll trash that, push this to the side, get everything out. Well, we can push these to the side too because I'm not going to be using it. Boom, boom. So we have a very nice spread of things, which is really cool because with this new HotLogic kind of carry tote, anything extra that doesn't have to be heated or that's on the heat tray, we can just put right in the top so you can take it with you. Of course, I'd always bring a bottle of water. Since you have this, you can actually carry drinks with you and anything else you want. So let's get this ready. So I'm going to push this stuff to the side for right and at the moment. Okay, so since we're only cooking this one thing on there, this is technically too big for it, but I was really excited to show you guys this carry tote, so just bear with me. So I have this kind of kneaded out really nice. It's nice and flat. Everything's even. I have the HotLogic plugged in. I'm just going to set it right on there. Just make sure it's pressed down nicely. And that's seriously all I'm going to do. So I'll just close it up. Oh, let me grab the right zipper. Set the old timer.
For this size, just a single MRE, the smaller one would be better, but for the sake of this video and showing you this new product, we put in this one.
And then all of that extra stuff could be thrown right in here. But since I have to wait like an hour for that to be ready, might be a little bit less. I really don't know the time to heat it up good. But I'm just going to start snacking probably on some of these crackers and stuff. So there won't be much left. But if you want to make a drink just for fun,
let's do it. Let's get a cup.
I'll just put all this in here. Bam, 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 and bam. Look at that. Carry tote. Oh, cool. Well, I'm going to eat those anyway, but...
See how far I was reaching, it didn't make it. I was like, whoop, did I get in there?
Oh, okay. Alright, guys. So, we have the carbonated... God, I keep saying carbonated. It's carbohydrate, my brain. Electrolyte beverage powder, fruit punch, natural and artificial flavor. Directions for use: allow water to chemically purify to stand. We have a bottle of water, so that seems pretty purified to me, if you'd say. Tear this pouch at the notch, add 12 ounces of water. Yeah, we're just going to put it in a glass and stir it, because there's no reason shaking it up. 12 ounces of water, boom to pouch, fold over top, pouch, we're not doing that. Mix for 30 seconds. I'm not about that life.
Same as all the ones we make.
Careful when you take a waft. Yeah. Learn that lesson the hard way. Look at that. Okay, close that up. Grab a measuring cup. Got one right here. 12 ounces of water.
We don't need a measuring cup. Just pour water in here.
You think this will hold 12 anyway? So.
Yeah. Just get it where you want it. If you want it stronger or weaker, you can add as much as you want.
I don't want it that strong because I guarantee. And I will grab a spoon.
And didn't it come with a spoon?
It did, but I would like to save that for the food to really fit with the whole MRE swing of things. It's a camo spoon. This is kitchen spoon. So I'm just going to mix that up. That's right where I want it. And not bon appetit because the food's not done, but you have yourself a beverage.
Explain to them what that beverage tastes like.
It tastes...
Can relate it to?
It's fruit punch. It's actually very close to fruit punch. Or like those squirt fruit punches, you know, like at the grocery store they have like a Mio that you spurt in the water. So that's actually pretty good.
Nice.
So we'll let that cook, and I'm gonna snack on some stuff in the meantime. So we'll see you guys in an hour. Okay, we are back. It has been about 30 minutes. So what you guys didn't see off camera, we did flip it over after 15-ish minutes, and then just to make sure it was done at the 30-minute mark, I flipped it over. So if it looks the same as when you saw it, I just flipped it one more time. So I'm just going to grab a spoon here. Time-wise, though, the 30 minutes is pretty good. When you actually cook it in the stoves that it gives you, it says after about 10 to 15 minutes. So, what, we're about twice to 3 times as long, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna, I pulled the spoon out too and set up there. Let's open this up. Boom, we have this. This is nice and toasty. As you see, it looks completely, what is it, pliable? Help me out. What's the word? Pliable.
Pliable.
Oh, yeah, that's warm. Almost burned my phalanges. So I'm just gonna...
Make sure you unplug your HotLogic.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Yeah. I'm gonna zip it up. Just a little side note with this thing, just so you guys know. I know I said it a little bit earlier, but with that HotLogic going, of course we didn't have the glass dishes in there to give like the best kind of space from the bottom of the heating tray. It gets a little warm in here. I wouldn't put like chocolate in there or butter or something that might melt, but anything else, it's not a substantial amount of heat that would cause any problems. So if you guys are in the market for a HotLogic and you're like, well, does it get too hot? Rest assured you will be okay. So I'm gonna set this to the side, or up here, there you go. We'll get a plate. Okay. So for the sake of this, you could eat directly out of the bag. This is already cooked, so we just heated it up. So either pull it out of the bag, put it on a plate if you wanna. Oh, you want me? You want
to use a tray?
I guess we'll
just keep it neater. We don't get them over the counter.
It's gonna look all nasty.
Nice. Boom.
There you go. See, now we're double. We're safe now. Oh, you want to unplastic this, my friend? And I will start to open this up. Oh.
Spoon.
Okay, spoon. I'm just going to try to give her a nice squeeze out of there. That is a hot pouch. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, let the hands cool a little bit.
You know what these MREs need? Some antacids.
Yeah, if you guys have some acid reflux or anything, I would highly advise popping a Tum.
Tums or Rolaids or something.
Some omeprazole. Okay, so that's pretty much out for the sake of showing you. I'll set it right here for now. I don't know if you guys can see it. This thing is steaming. It's nice and done for you. So you get your crackers out, you get everything else, and you're all set for a nice meal.
Boom. Zoom in on that for you guys. Appetizing.
Boom.
Nice.
Perfect. And you got yourself a meal. As I said, cooking an MRE is kind of a weird thing to do because it comes with the stove. But, I mean, if you're like in a hurry and you can't prep your food, you just grab your MRE, toss it in your HotLogic, and boom, you're good to go. Got yourself some food.
Plus, like the small 12-volt HotLogics we've covered in some other videos. You guys can check those out. We'll leave a link somewhere. You could put that in your car for 2 hours. We've done a test on that. It didn't even kill the battery. Please check that video out.
Yeah.
And then you can put this in there, hike a small trail, come back, you got a warm lunch.
Boom. This is more than a lunch, my friends. This is a good few thousand, 1,000 or 1,500 calories, easy, if you ate all of it. And then, of course, we got the hot bag. If you're into coffee, you can have some coffee with this, too.
It does come with coffee and tea, too. Yep, sugar and all that. Toilet paper, even.
And if you need that boost, you got that caffeinated gum, guys. Don't forget about that. And boom, you got yourself food.
You might need this toilet paper after you eat it, but
It's not toilet.
that's
Yeah,
toilet
right.
paper, yeah.
Is it? No,
Yeah,
it's a
that's toilet
napkin.
paper.
No.
Yeah.
You're joshing
You
me.
know this.
No.
You say this every time.
I do, because it doesn't look like a little
So
towel
let's
to you.
give that a try, guys. Let's try this.
Oh, I hope it doesn't burn me. Perfect temperature.
Is it acidy?
With MREs, I would always say it's acidy, but it
I'm
will.
trying it, guys.
Okay, community dish.
It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Okay, guys. Well, I think that about.
I think we got a guest taste tester.
Oh yeah. Another one.
Good.
Oh, okay,
Right
that's okay. Everybody's score. How what? Thumbs up, thumbs down. What do you got?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
but they
up.
should definitely include some antacids.
Hey, well, I'll start talking to the government. Maybe they'll hook us up.
Yeah.
I give it a thumbs up. So I think that pretty much sums up this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, throw them below. We'll get back to you. If you guys are in the market for a HotLogic, I would recommend the Casserole Carry Tote HotLogic. Or if you need something a little bit smaller, they do have the lunch size, which would be ideal if you were taking it to work just to make some lunch. Again, check out our other video. We're still doing a giveaway, so if you guys pick that corner of the video, if you head there, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, you'll be entered to win. We're giving away a HotLogic Mini. So I think that about sums it up. You got anything else to say?
Can they use a coupon code still?
I'm pretty sure it's set up, but I'm not 100% sure. I have to double check, because I had somebody comment said that it didn't work, but who knows? So I'll tinker.
We'll check into that, but it was Jimmy 2 Tech, get you a discount. We'll check with them, make sure.
Yeah, so I think that sums it up.
Yeah, until the next What Can We Cook in a HotLogic?
Yeah, right? This should be a little series. Yeah, until next time, do a little bit of everything.
Try something new.